Hi guys, this is Jackie from InLife. May insurance ka na ba? Kung wala pa, bagay sa itong Abundance. Ang dami niya talagang benefits. Kaya nga tinawag siyang Abundance eh. So, paano siya nag-work? By the way, ang insurance hindi lang pampatay. Hi guys, klaruin ko lang. So, ito na nga, paano siya nag-work? Abundance is a guaranteed regular cash payouts, equivalent to 10% of sum insured given every second years starting from end of 7th year or 11th policy year until maturity for 5 pay and for 10 pay, which is pwede ka maghulog hanggang 5 years nga, 'di ba? And then kapag 5 years ka naghulog, magi-start ang benefits mo o you will receive 10% at the 7th year. And then, kung sa 10th year naman na paying, at the 11th year ka naman mag-i-start na makareceive ng 30,000, which is 10% of 300,000 minimum coverage nitong Abundance natin. So, guaranteed lump sum cash and maturity equivalent to 100% of sum insured. Just imagine, diba guys? Every other year, meron ka nang nare-receive na 30,000 kung ang coverage mo is 300,000. Every other year yun, just imagine. And then, pag nag-mature pa yung policy mo, you will receive 300,000. So, diba? May talo ka ba doon? Diba wala? And in that scenario, life insurance benefits equivalent to 200% of sum insured in case of insured death. So, just in case, 3 years ka palang naguhulog at nagkaroon ng ganitong scenario na wala si insured, the beneficiary will get the 200% of sum insured, which is minimum 300,000, double it, nado-double siya, magiging 600,000. What if 1 million yung coverage mo? So, magiging 2 million yung marireceive ni beneficiary. Bukod doon, meron din siyang package na terminal illness benefits, equivalent to 200% of sum insured once diagnosed of an end-stage disease. Benefit claim advance the life insurance benefits and terminate the plan. O, diba? Automatic nagta-terminate yung plan once na ma-diagnose ka ng end-stage disease. So, ibibigay naman yung 200% coverage sa beneficiary din. So, lumalabas, buhay ka pa dahil nagkasakit kang gano'n ng disease na gano'n, yun ang gagamitin mong fund. So, nilabas mo lang at the same, for 3 years lang, di ba? Imagine mo kung 3 years ka pala naguhulog, so na-diagnose ka. This plan is used for what if. Di ba? Meron tayong tinatawag na, bakit ka nagdadala ng payong? That is, what if umulan? Meron kang payong. What if mainit? Meron kang payong. Bakit ba merong fire extinguisher? Display lang din ba yan? Di ba ginagamit din siya saan? Kapag nagkaroon ng biglaang unexpected na biglang may nag-apoy or maliit pa lang na sunog, maagapan. So, ang gamit talaga ng insurance is for what if. So, ang kagandahan ni Abundance, meron ka ng health fund, meron ka ng investment, kung gusto mong mag-start ng business, and just in case naman na bilang kunin na ni Lord, meron tayong iniiwan na living legacy sa family natin. And just in case na magkaroon ng sakit na hindi nagagaling, minsan hindi naman natin masabi, meron tayong insurance. Ang kaganda ni Abundance is yung lahat na yan. So, kung interesado ka, PM mo lang ako. Okay, hanggang dito na lang, guys. God bless.